How to change your username on X Twitter. First, open the X app on your Android device. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner to open the menu. Next, scroll down and tap Settings and Support. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Now, tap Your Account to access all your account settings. Then select Account Information. This is where you can update your profile details. Now, tap on Username. This will allow you to change your current username. Type in your new username. Make sure it's available. You will see a green check mark if it's good to go. Once you are happy with your new username, tap Save and you are done. Pro tip: your username can be up to 15 characters long, but it must be unique. So be creative and make it yours. And that's how you change your username on X. Easy, right? If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.